Welcome back to my channel. So, as you can tell from the title, and as you've seen on my channel, I've been remaking my rooms slowly but surely in my new apartment. And next up is our, I don't even know what to call it. We're currently calling it our garage because it's storing everything, but we are going to be making it a little hangout, yoga, reading nook. We have a fun hammock that we bought. I have my yoga mat. We're gonna make it just super cozy and fun. So let's just get into it. We're gonna start off with cleaning the space because it's currently the garage. So we actually have this shopping cart that we love to keep in here because we can bring stuff down to our garbage room in it. So she will be staying and we'll be making it look fun in here. But we're obviously going to take the recycling out. So I'm going to start off by just taking everything out of this space, bringing the recycling out, you know, breaking down the tubes because it's not summer anymore. We also have all of our cans in here, so I'm going to bring them to the bottle return. This is for my paddleboard. We've got Lauren's air conditioner. We've got a bunch of stuff. So we're going to start by finding a new home for all of these items, and then let's get going. Hammock right here. It'll be hanging from the ceiling, kind of like bringing the living room into this space. Then I'm going to do a propagation wall here. I'm thinking that we'll live right around here, similar to what I did in my bedroom. If you haven't seen that, make sure you go check that out. I also have a crate, and I'm thinking maybe that will go in the corner with a basket and yoga mat. And then we have some bar stools to put over here, and I'm thinking shopping cart in the corner. Those are all just subject to change, but that's kind of what my initial thoughts are. Okay, so now that the space is all cleared out and clean, it is time to hang the hammock. We're gonna do the hammock first because I think it's going to be the hardest. And I'm thinking right around here. Let's just get into it.
Gathered by the sea, sand people anxiously. Not once did speak to me when tides came, did not.
Major problem, major issue. Somehow with my strong muscles, I broke the lag screw, or like the bolt that goes into the ceiling. So now I have a long middle part stuck in the ceiling and this little end part, and now it's stuck, and now I need to figure out how to get it out. I just got off FaceTime with my parents. They said I need to get this tool and I need to go get a new one of these. So we're gonna head to the hardware store, get the tools, hopefully get this out of the ceiling. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So basically, this one is in the ceiling. And this one I was just tightening up a little bit more and it just came off. So now we're stuck with this. I tried to grip on and like turn it out, but I just don't. It's impossible. So we're gonna go get the tool to latch on and we're gonna get this project going. I'm just gonna guess on the size of this. We're gonna bring this little guy with us. Great start to the day. Great start to the project. Let's go. Okay, so I just got back from the hardware store. I got the vice grip and I got the screws. And they're not working. This is not working. that is stuck in the ceiling and I don't know what to do. I'm a little annoyed, but we're not gonna let it affect us and we are going to move on. Something new, set this hammock aside for a second and do the propagation wall. So let's It's literally one bad thing after the next. The gel bit broke in the thing. Yeah, the gel bit broke in while I was drilling it up. Alright, it's very dark out, but we're gonna end today off with a first time sit. I'm nervous. Okay, so it's a new day and it's time to propagate some leaves, plants, whatever you want to call it. So we already hung all the vases yesterday, but now it's time to get our little leaves in their vases. So I've already done some trimmings and I'm going to put them in the vases. If you want to watch my video on how to cut your plants, I show that in my bedroom makeover, so you guys can check that out right up here. But I have them all in my Chamberlain coffee mug and let's go get them in their new homes. They look so cute. Okay, next I have this rug that I've had for a while. I had it in the dining room for a little bit and I'm not using it, so I figured I might as well put it in this space just to bring a little bit of color. So let's get this laid out. I'm not sure exactly how I want it to lay, but we'll try a few things and then we can bring in the crate, the yoga mat, all of that stuff. I'm almost thinking off-centered, sort of in this area, so that this area can be bar stools and shopping cart. Let's bring in the bar stools and the shopping cart and see that where we want it. Okay, so right now I'm kind of playing around with how I want this whole section to be with the yoga mat, but I figured I would hang the lights to see how those will lay, and then we can kind of configure this area. Okay, so this is what we're looking like right now. We've got this all laid out, but I just feel like either that wall needs something or this back wall. So I went on Facebook Marketplace and I found this big mirror. It's like a vanity mirror, but I'm thinking even if I lean it on the wall, like right there, and put a bunch of candles in front of it, I just think it could be a vibey, like, I don't know, I think it could be very cool. So I am going to pick up this mirror tonight at 5. It is 2 p.m. right now, so we're gonna take a little break, but we'll go get the mirror at 5 and then hopefully finish off this space. This is actually so exciting. It's 42 by 48 inches, which is really big, and I was actually looking for a mirror for this space, like this exact mirror, because I feel like in a gym or in a yoga studio, there's a mirror for you to see yourself doing your yoga, and now we're gonna have that. I need to decide. I don't think I'm gonna be able to mount it. I just don't see that being possible, but I kind of wanna think of something to go on the ground that this can lay on, even if it's like a board, like literally a wood board, just to raise it a little bit. I'm so excited. Okay, I have a piece of wood in my car that could possibly work for this. It's definitely not that long, but it could raise it, and then we put candles on the sides, even a plant. Okay, I was in a little rut for this space because this looks amazing, the wall looks amazing, but that back area just is looking pretty bare. So I definitely think this is going to just spice it up, bring a reflective, make it look larger. I don't even know what I'm saying, but I'm very excited. And let's plan this mirror and then go pick it up. Okay, so we got the mirror. It looks amazing. It's huge. It's a little dirty, so we're gonna have to clean it, but I decided to kind of style around it. I'm thinking we're gonna use this pine board and kind of put it in front of it and style this board with candles and books and stuff. So let's do that. Also, I'm going to hang another one of these curtains. I hung that up right there to kind of complete the corner, and I'm gonna do one right here. Then we'll figure out the lights. It's all coming together, very excited, so let's do some styling. Okay, so I've changed my mind with the lights. Rather than having them in the corner, I feel like there's a lot going on in the corner. I'm gonna have them string across the room, just across this way. I think it'll be cute, and it'll bring the light across the room. Also, hopefully we will see them in the background of like the mirror pics and stuff. I'm just using this little device and kind of tying the cord in it, screwing it into the I don't have them swooping very low because these ceilings are kind of low and I don't want to hit my head. Okay, so the space is coming together so nicely. I'm really liking the way it's turning out. I feel like this wall could use something to kind of bring the eye up because a lot of the stuff is on the ground. So I decided to use a macrame hanger, and I'm going to take this pothos that I have and just hang it from the ceiling somewhere in here. It looks so cute. Okay. I'm not sure exactly where. This is too much for me. While I just debate that plant, I'm going to hang these two frames right here, like this and this. Just throwing stuff up on the walls at this point, but I think they're gonna look good. Actually so cute. I'm like loving the way everything is looking. The plant looks really nice. I'm glad I brought it this way and didn't put it right in the corner because it's just bringing some more height over here. I've had so much fun at doing this little yoga room, chill room makeover. Let's do the final reveal. I know I've brought you along the whole way, but I feel like you haven't gotten a good view of the whole room. So let's do the reveal in 3, 2, 1.
Staring at the sea and what was left of me.
Watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like this video and subscribe down below. I had so much fun doing this video, and this means we've pretty much complete redoing my entire apartment. So the next home makeover video or home video on my channel is going to be my apartment tour. I'm so excited to do my apartment tour just to show you guys all the rooms complete and as a whole and how they all tie in together. If you followed along this whole process, you saw me do my studio space, my bedroom, my living room, and now this room and my bathroom. Wow, we've done so much. Subscribe so you guys get notified when I post my apartment tour, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.